Hi everyone, welcome to Learn English with Miss. In today's lesson, we will learn about personal pronouns. What are personal pronouns? Let's find out. Personal pronouns refer to the person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person, place, or thing that is being spoken about. Examples of personal pronouns are first person, I, me, my, mine. Second person, you, your, yours. Third person, he, him, his. She, her, hers. It, its. Again, let's go over those personal pronouns. I, you, she, they, him, us, me, he, it, we, her, them. Possessive pronouns are pronouns that indicate possession or ownership. For example, this book is my book, not your book. This book is mine, not yours. Let's look at a few more examples. This is my laptop. It's mine. These glasses are mine, not yours. This is my brother's book. It's his. He offered to swap his camera for hers. I'll show you to your room. Ours is next door. The house is yours. The ship is theirs. Let's test your knowledge. Pause the video, then take the quiz. We'll go over the responses in a little bit. Complete the sentence with the correct pronoun. Are you going to eat all of blank lunch? Is the correct answer A, it, B, them, C, your, D, you? Write down your answer and we'll go over it in a little bit. What do you think of blank new haircut? Is it A, it, B, my, C, mine, D, they? Again, pause the video, write down your answer, and we'll go over the responses in a little bit. I love the color of blank new car. Is the answer A, it, B, her, C, they, D, them? Go ahead and write down your answer. Now let's look at the next one. Blank needs to build an amusement park around here. Is the answer A, we, B, us, C, them, D, someone? Fred says that blank wants a new bike for his birthday. Is the answer A, he, B, us, C, it, D, they? All right, let's see how well you did by going over your responses. Are you going to eat all of your lunch? C is the correct answer. What do you think of my new haircut? B is the correct answer. I love the color of her new car. B is the correct answer. Someone needs to build an amusement park around here. D is the correct answer. Fred says that he wants a new bike for his birthday. A is the correct answer. In today's lesson, we learned about personal pronouns. Thank you for watching and learning with me. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.